A sad day across the region as the driver of the fatal tanker truck crash in Frederick last weekend was laid to rest. Maryland State Police say the truck that Mr. Heiston was driving carried more than 8,600 gallons of fuel when it veered off the road and hit a tree and caught fire. Stephen Cohen reports from Hagerstown.
Family and longtime friends of 58-year-old Ron Heaston Jr. paid their respects in loving memory. Heaston died in the tanker truck explosion on Route 15 in Frederick a week ago Saturday.
Ron is a fantastic man. Lisa was lucky to have him, and his children were very lucky to have him. He had a cool little wild spirit to him, but all in a good way.
Ronnie Knuckles became close friends with Heaston at the age of 15, just as Ronnie was enrolling in South Hagerstown High School. Rachel Parks became close with Ronnie and his wife Lisa through their daughters.
I know how good of a man he was and how much he meant to his family and how much his granddaughters and, everybody meant to him. So I'm just here to show my support today.
Family and friends say Ron was a passionate Orioles and Ravens fan. Jacqueline Wright of Bowie, Maryland, worked with Ron's wife, Lisa.
He was a strong family man, hard worker, just tragic, so I had to be here. Yeah.
Many who turned out for Ron's funeral knew him from his membership in the local Teamsters Union.
I love the boy with all my heart.
He was a good driver, a good conscientious worker, and a friend of mine.
Heaston is survived by his wife Lisa, a daughter and her fiancé, a son, and 2 grandchildren. Reporting from Hagerstown, Stephen Cohen, DC News Now.